Hi guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my Kawaii world. So today we're going to be opening up a Japanese and Korean beauty subscription box called NoMakeNoLife. And this is the August box. They sent this to me for free to review. So I'm just going to give my honest opinion. So I like how they have this little booklet here because when it comes to beauty and skincare products, I feel like it's always nice to be able to read the packaging, especially when you're getting Asian products and you can't actually read the labels on the products themselves. So the first thing in the box is this eye and lip Snail Essential Cream, and this says Snail Secretion Filtrate will provide nutrients and elasticity to your skin. Snail Secretion Filtrate is one of my favorite beauty products. It doesn't say on here how much Snail Secretion Filtrate is actually contained in this product, and this is a really interesting package. It kind of looks like one of those pouches where you can get a jelly drink from the Korean convenience store, or kind of like an applesauce pouch. There's just this little twist off lid and then you can do that, but this is not something that you want to drink. I actually really like the texture of this snail cream. It was like really sticky and gooey, and I also like how it was unscented. Next up, we have this lovely cookie blusher by Etude House, and this has a really cute little puff inside. Etude House is a brand that's marketed towards people in their teens and early 20s, so this is probably not a product that I would personally buy, but it's fun to try. Etude House carries a lot of really cute, super girly products. Next up, we have this Moly Petite Bunny Gloss. This is the most adorable lip gloss that I've ever seen. It looks and smells kind of like one of those... The color is really light. It's very sheer. And it smells like strawberry. This kind of reminds me of like a lip smacker or something like that. And it has a minty, like a cooling texture. It's really interesting. But this is super cute. Moly is not a shop that I ordinarily shop at, but I would buy this. This is super adorable. I can't resist anything with like a bunny face on it. Moly is another brand that's marketed towards people in their teens and early 20s in Korea. It's not actually that popular in Korea, although I think that's really popular overseas. This next one is really familiar to me. I used to buy these all the time in Japan. This is the Choosy Lip Pack, and it's basically like a sheet mask for your lips. It's really fun, and they have a lot of different scents. This one is chocolate mint, and the booklet says that chocolate mint is really trendy right now in Japan, so maybe that's why they sent this. The only thing with these masks is you have to make sure not to use them when you're congested, because you put them on your lips and then you have to breathe through your nose the entire time. So if you are congested and you can't breathe through your nose, then you're out of luck and you just have to take the lip thing off, and it's a waste. So the texture of this is kind of like a hydrogel, but these are really fun, and I used to buy these all the time in Japan. These go for about $1, $1 US. Okay, the next one is the Awappuccino Momo Uruhada Awappuccino Foaming Tool Cleansing Powder Set. So I already opened it, but this is a Japanese product, and I think that you can use this device to just foam up your soap. And they said in the booklet that foaming cleansers are really popular in Japan right now. So it just looks like a cup with a straw, and then on the bottom of the straw there's this little disc with holes in it. And it comes with 2 little packets of enzyme powder, which you can use to foam. And it said you can also reuse the cup when you're done. It says you can foam your cleanser up within 20 seconds, but then I think that the time saved on foaming would be used to clean this when you're done washing your face. So I don't know if I would use this on a regular basis because it seems like a lot of work, extra work, but it's a really fun little device. I think that my kids would actually enjoy playing with this to make bubbles. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Next we have the Aurora Eye and Lip Topper, and this looks like a little tiny bottle of highlighter. I bet this goes for like 100 yen at Don Quixote or something. I've never used this before, but I do know that sparkle is popular in Japan, because I remember when I was living there, a lot of the eyeshadows would be sparkly. It's kind of matte is not super popular there, so if you want to add a little bit of extra sparkle, then this would be great. This is another thing that I think my kids would really like, because they love sparkly stuff, and it's sheer, so yeah. Next we have the Dev Foaming Facial Cleanser. It says contains rose extract, gently cleanses while hydrating the skin, leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, and it has a rose fragrance. So I noticed that there's no little seal on top of the bottle, but I'm sure that it's not like used. And it does smell faintly of rose. Yeah, it smells, it's not like overpowering. I've never heard of this brand before. This is a Japanese product. And in the booklet it says that there's 4 different choices. You can get rose, moisture, sumi, which is charcoal, or honey. So I got the rose one. And item number 8 is this Choco Mint face mask. This contains cacao beans and mint. And in the booklet it says that Choco Mint is super trendy in Japan, and the cacao moisturizes the skin while the mint tightens and refreshes. Do you guys like chocolate mint? I'm like not a huge fan of it, but I don't hate it. So I also like really minty, refreshing feelings on my face, so I'm gonna try this mask. I think I will like it. And the packaging is really super cute and pretty. So what do I actually think of this beauty box? If you're somebody who likes really cute and girly things, and if you like Japanese and Korean skincare products and you don't live in Japan and Korea, then I might consider getting this, because it's a great way to try different kinds of Japanese and Korean beauty products that you probably wouldn't find on the shelf in like Target. I think a lot of these things are more drugstore type of products, so they're on the cheaper end of the scale. I think this would make a great gift for a teenager or somebody who's in their early 20s and who likes beauty and skincare products. Personally, I'm in my late 30s, and when I buy skincare products, I tend to gravitate towards more simplistic products with fewer ingredients that try to focus on the active ingredient rather than the packaging itself. But that being said, these are not things that I would ordinarily pick up in the drugstore, so it's nice to be able to just try a little sample of them. And then if I like them, then maybe I will continue to use it, and I'll have found a nice, inexpensive product that I can use on a regular basis. I just kind of wanted to break down the prices to see how the products added up. And this is just a guess, but I think the Snail Essential Cream was about $1. The Etude House Cookie Blusher, 6,000 won or $5. Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss, 5,000 won or $4. The Lip Pack, $1. The Momo Uruhara Awappuccino, 1,400 yen or $14. The Aurora Eye Lip Topper, $1. The Dev Foaming Facial Cleanser, $4.95. The Choco Mint Mask, $1. And so the total for everything is approximately $31.95. So it adds up, and it seems like you're getting a good bang for your buck. As for the lip gloss, this was definitely a winner for me. I don't even care how this functions, I just love the package. And when it comes to makeup, I don't have any qualms about like buying cute and like juvenile things. So this was a win for me. This box is made by the same group that creates Tokyo Treat boxes. So it ships directly from Japan via Japan Post, and shipping is free, and the price is anywhere from $30 to $35 US depending on what subscription package you get. If you guys want to help me out and you're thinking of getting this box, you can use my affiliate code below and it'll help to support my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more K-beauty and skincare videos, check out these playlists right here, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!